Hallo Traders. I made this video to answer a request from a subscriber for reviewing and sharing Bonnitta's expert advisors. This expert advisor has been tested on the account trail for more than 3 years. There are several things that I want to convey in this video. This video will be quite long. I suggest that you watch the video to the end so that you get all the comparative information on each pair traded using Bonnitta EA expert advisors. If you are interested in trading Forex with an expert advisor, this channel might be suitable for you. You will get a complete free EA along with its review. So, don't hesitate to join by clicking subscribe on the button below the video. And of course it's free without paying. One. How Bonnitta EA works. How to work from Beautiful EA is to implement system strategy pending position strategy. A pending position strategy in Forex trading is an expert advisor placing a buy or sell order at a certain level where the current price has not reached that level. In this strategy, the expert advisor can place a buy order at a price level below the current market price or place a sell order at a price level above the current market price. Besides that, Beautiful EA also contains statistical collection algorithms and slippage control with statistical control complete. This information is used to protect you from broker tricks. And from the information I got that Beautiful EA has successfully passed the backtest for 22 years with stress slippage test and commission levels close to the real market. 2. Report results trading MQL5 multi-currency 27 pair. Okay, I'll just see the results of trading using multi-currency. I took the information from the official Bonnitta EA on the MQL5. From this information, the profit that has been made withdrawal of 10,000 United States dollars. With an initial deposit of 1,000 USD. Existing profits produced in the amount of 25,859 United States dollars. And equity at the moment 17,138 United States dollars. During trading from 2019 are about 201 weeks. Bonnitta EA's expert advisor has experienced a drawdown of up to 54.9%. While trading activity is at 28%, it is likely that every day there will be transactions that are opened. Growth information by year and month. You can see here the level of profit every month. Trading starts from 2019 in May. That advantage produced in 2019 of 26.46%. And in 2020 it was 8.56%. You can see there was a loss on the moon March and April. But the end result is still a profit. Then in 2021 that profit obtained 75.31%. In 2022 the highest from the previous year, namely 115.21%. And in 2023 the current profit produced 45.67%. Balance information. Red line vertically shows the balance I withdraw. Drawdown risk information. We'll look at the nominal presentation from a drawdown of 54.9%. You can see here. Drawdown by equity of 54.95% of 2,706 United States dollars. So, you need to use the right capital to run this Bonnitta EA expert advisor. Trading history information. Such that is said at the start of the video. That this expert advisor uses a pending order system. There are several orders that were cancelled because they did not meet the conditions of the algorithm. The lots that were opened were also very low at 0.01 lots. You can also register a broker with slippage best low. I have provided the registration link in the description of this video. Statistical information. This is the result of trading 27 pairs. A total of 2,187 trading transactions. And has a profit rate of 78.23%. with a profit factor of 2.62. Maximum consecutive loss of 18 transactions, worth $1,930 when running 27 pairs. The average trading duration is up to 3 days. For details on the advantages and disadvantages of 27 pairs, you can pay attention to this information. Even though here it was tested on many pairs. If you ask me, I will choose only a few pairs that are profitable, namely EUR USD, GBP USD, and maybe several pairs below it. Three. Report results trading Myfxbook 4 pair. Next I will take information from other traders on Myfxbook who use the Bonnitta EA Expert Advisor. Here more detailed information on trading results using only 4 pairs. Trading starts from January 2023. You can see here which pairs are used. Trading starts before depositing $100,070 USD. Which account one is a micro account, so its value is converted to USD cents. Withdrawals. All capital has been withdrawn. So this is purely trading using profit results only. The profit produced $270,775 or around 349.03%. You can also see here the profit growth. Information advances statistics. Total trading from January 2023 of 840 transactions. With a profit ratio of 81%. Profit factor 3.44. The average trading duration is 1 day. Summary information. You can see that from the 4 pairs all benefit. Monthly analytics information. Results profit in the moon January 63.5%. February 51.55%. And in the month of March that is currently getting a profit of 81.22%. 4. Myfxbook EUR USD Trading Results Report. Furthermore, trading information is only on 1 pair, namely EUR USD. Trading starts on October 16, 2022. A deposit of $532,967 and the entire capital is already withdrawn. That advantage produced approximately $127,436. The drawdown that occurred was very high at 74.18%. Estimated monthly profit of 25% and daily 0.76%. The total profit produced 233.83%. In this account I still use a cent type account. For balance and profit information you can pay attention to this chart. Information advances statistics. Total trading 325 transactions. Profit ratio 71%. Profit factor 2.40. The average trading duration is 1 day. Monthly analytics information. Even though trading started in October 2022, but the expert advisor was run in January 2023. In January that profit produced by 62.28%. February 43.15%. And in the ongoing March of 43.7%. 5. Report results trading Myfxbook GBP USD. still using a cent account. Here the capital used is $1,309,140 United States dollars. And all models are already in withdrawals. That advantage produced a big 112,000 United States dollars. With a drawdown that has occurred of 61.67%. Estimate income monthly 16.21%. With a daily average of 0.50%. Total profit 121.61%. Trading starts from October 2022. But transactions are open from January 2023. Meaning trading will still start in January 2023. You can see the detailed growth history chart here. Informazi Advanced Statistics. Total trading 203 transactions. Profit ratio 83%. Profit factor 3.19. The average trading duration is 1 day. Monthly analytics information. January 43%. February 24.06%. March 24.91%. Six. Report results trading Myfxbook AUD USD. Deposits, $250,015.43. Withdrawals, $55,570. Profit, $63,334.70. Daily 0.36%. Monthly, 11.68%. Drawdown, 16.86%. Gain, plus 31.75%. Advanced statistics. Trades, 152 transactions. Profit ratio 82%. Profit factor, 3.79. Seven. Report results trading Myfxbook USDCAD. Deposits, $250,023.51. Withdrawals, $54,954.72. Profit, $85,090.35. Daily 0.46%. Monthly, 15.30%. Drawdown, 8.89%. Gain, plus 42.84%. Advanced statistics. Trades, 197. Profit ratio 85%. Profit factor, 12.26. Monthly analytics. January 10.11%. February 14.98%. March 12.82%. I will also see the history of trading activity. Here the logs that are opened range from more than 2 lots. For recommendations on running this expert advisor on the EUR USD and GBP USD pairs on time frame H1. To get optimal results you need to use a trusted broker and low latency quality VPS. I have distributed 2 version Bonnitta for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Put the Expert Advisor file in the folder you install MetaTrader. Then run the Bonnitta Expert Advisor. I've already run Beautiful Air on the EUR USD and GBP USD pairs on the H1 time frame. For the preset that I use is the default preset. Okay, That's the video about Bonnitta EA's Expert Advisor Forex commentary that runs on the pair EUR USD and GBP USD. I advise you to try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month, so you will know more about how this expert advisor works. And if you want to use real money, make sure to use safe money that doesn't interfere with your life, and it's not recommended to use bank loan money. The risks and profits are in your hands. Be wise in making decisions. I hope one day you can succeed financially. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share. Thank you very much.